How to download and install the MongoDB in your Windows 11 computer system. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install the MongoDB for your Windows 11 computer system. So the first thing that you need to do in order to download the MongoDB for your Windows system is to access any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, the Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or any other web browser that best suits you. So for the sake of this demonstration, I will be using Google Chrome to show you how you can download the MongoDB. So let me open my Google Chrome, and here you can see that once you have opened the web browser, you need to search for MongoDB download. And once you have searched for it, simply hit the enter button, and here you can see in the results the first result that says MongoDB community server download from mongodb.com. So mongodb.com is the official website to download the MongoDB application for your Windows 11. So click onto this first link and it will lead you to the official MongoDB website. Now from here you can see all of the downloads and all the different additions for the MongoDB. It includes MongoDB Atlas, Enterprise Edition, or Community Edition, and under the Community Edition we have the Community Server and Community Kubernetes operator as well. Also, there are some other tools listed onto the website. So let us find the download button, and here you can see you need to scroll down from here, and you can see that currently, as making of this video, the latest version is 8.0.9 and the platform is Windows x64, that is the 64-bit operating system architecture. So that means it has automatically detected my computer operating system and architecture and suggested me the following download. If you want to change the version, simply click onto this version, and from here you can choose a different version as you please, but I will be going with the current stable version, as the 8.0.10 is just a release candidate and might not be stable. So from here, and if you want to change the platform, you can also do this from clicking the platform option, and same for the package, you can do so by clicking onto this package option. So you can either choose an MSI package or a zip package. I'm going with the MSI package, and then I'm gonna click onto this download button, and here you can see that our download has just started. So the download size will be around 723 megabyte, and once this download finishes, we will be able to install our MongoDB in our Windows 11 computer using this installation wizard. So let us wait for this installation wizard to get downloaded. So here you can see that the download has been successfully completed for the MongoDB installer, and all we need to now do is just wait for it to get ready, and then here you can see that now it is ready to open. So we are gonna click onto this open button in order to open the installation for our MongoDB application in Windows. And here you can see it says welcome to the MongoDB 8.0.9 setup wizard. So click onto the next button, and then you need to agree to the user license agreement. So in order to agree, click onto this I accept the terms in the license agreement button, and then click onto this next button. Once you will do this, it will ask you to choose setup type. Either you can choose a complete setup type or a custom setup type. So in a complete setup type, all program features will be installed. It requires the most disk space and is recommended for most users. And then there is the custom setup type, which allows users to choose which program features will be installed and where they will be installed, recommended for advanced users. So if you are a beginner, I will recommend you that you choose the complete setup, or if you have some idea and you know which components you specifically want, then I will recommend you that you choose the custom option. So for this particular video, I will be going with the complete option. So let me click onto this complete option. So from here, you can see the service configuration option. And from here, it says specify optional settings to configure MongoDB as a service. So from here, the first option is install MongoDB as a service, and then you have two options, either to run service as network service user or to run service as a local or domain user. So I would recommend that you choose the first option, especially if it is your first time using MongoDB. And then here is the service name. You can leave it to default, and then there is the data directory and the log directory as well. You can remain these values to the default and then click onto the next button, and here it says install MongoDB Compass, which is the official graphical user interface for MongoDB. So if you want to have a graphical user interface, I will recommend that you install the MongoDB Compass as well. So after that, click onto the next button, and then here you can see this says ready to install MongoDB. So click onto the install button and just wait for the installation process to finish. Depending upon the installation type, whether it is a custom installation or a full installation, it might take some time. And once the installation will be successfully finished, we will be able to launch our MongoDB application in Windows 11. So let us wait for the installation process to finish. So here you can see that after the installation process has been successfully completed, you can see this message that says completed the MongoDB 8.0.9 setup wizard. Click the finish button to exit the setup wizard. So once I've clicked the finish button, you can see this says welcome to Compass, and Compass was the same graphical user interface for MongoDB that we have downloaded. So you can click onto this start button, and from here you can proceed on to add a new connection, or you can also create a free cluster if you want. So that's how easily you can download and install the MongoDB for beginners in your Windows 11 computer system. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.